This is my Titration Lab. So first off, basically I just set up the KOH titrant solution. Um, I measured out, as you can see, 1.4 grams of solid KOH, and I added it to a 400 milliliter beaker. I measured out 250 milliliters of distilled water into the beaker, and then stirred the mixture gently until it mixed correctly. Next, it was time to set up the analyte, which was acetic acid bought from the store. It was just vinegar. I added 5 milliliters of the store purchased vinegar into a clean 250 milliliter flask. I didn't have a flask, so I used a 250 milliliter beaker. I added 50 milliliters of distilled water to the flask, and then 2 to 4 drops of phenolphthalein indicator solution to the flask. I swirled them to mix components and then measured the pH, which started at 3.6. So I then set up a burette and then ran 3 tests to perform the titration. So basically I calibrated the pH meter and then, as you can see, dumped the titrant into the solution. And as it went on, you would see a little pink color, as you can see, like a little bit. And to go away for 30 seconds. That light pink was equivalence point, which is what we were looking for. And then you would dump a little bit more until it turned into that dark pink, as you can see at the end. And as each test occurred, I made sure to get the pH after each drop and count how many drops and how many milliliters of the titrant was added in order to get past equivalence point. So as you can see, test 2, same deal. Finally got it into that dark solution that we were looking for. And finally, we got test number 3. Again, same thing. Made sure to clean the beaker after each use, and made sure that everything was nice and clean for each test. I did the same stuff, made sure to get past equivalence point, got the pH, as you can see right there, and then ended with that dark pink color that we're looking for. After this was all done, I made sure to follow the correct steps in order to make sure everything was properly cleaned.